Hello friends, welcome to my channel Spreadsheet Geek. Today I'm going to tell you all about freezing rows and columns. How can we do that? Here is the data from the stats of the different World Cup. Now we want to, let's say, freeze first row so that while scrolling up and down our top row remains fixed and we can scroll seeing the labels above. So how we are going to do that? Now let's see, select the first row, or even though you don't want to select, you go to view option. From there you can see at the top there will be freeze option. You select the first row. After selecting the first row you can see a horizontal bar below it. Now you can scroll and check the top row remain fixed even while scrolling. Now let's say how to unfreeze it. Now you go there, click on no row. Now you can see that the row is unfreezed now. Now let's say we want to uh, fix two rows. First we'll put some data so that we can see there are two rows. Let's say we'll merge it using the format option. Let's say we put some data here and we want to freeze the first two rows. Let's make it 28 or 24. Okay, now 24. Yeah. Now we want to fix the first two rows. How can we do that? Now we will go to view again. From there we are going to go on freeze and select the two rows. Now you can see the first two rows are fixed. Now let's say we want to freeze the first five rows. How we are going to freeze first five row? First we'll unfreeze and then go to the view option. Let's say we want to freeze first four row. Now we have selected four. We have selected fourth row and we'll view, go to freeze option at the top, and from there up to current four row we will select. Now we can see the first four rows are fixed. Now we will unfreeze it, view, freeze no row, and now we want to freeze, let's say, the first two columns. How can we do that? Like the World Cup in different country and with the year. Now we'll go to freeze option. You can see we want to freeze these two rows. Now we'll go to freeze two columns. Now you can see there is a problem. It contains a part of merge cell. Then the top row is the merge cell. So we will remove that because it cannot uh, freeze the merge cell. Now we will select these two columns. Go to freeze. Select the two columns. Now you can see these two rows are fixed. You can scroll and check these two columns are fixed. Sorry. Um, Now if we want to freeze the row and column simultaneously. Our columns are already fixed, and now what we are going to do so that our top row gets fixed. So we'll fix the first row. You can see horizontal bar and vertical bar. For horizontal bar below row 1 and horizontal bar below after the column B. So both are freezed. This is all about freeze function. Thank you.